Well, good morning, guys. So I'm out here on a lake, and I'm out here with Moss. If you guys remember Moss from some of the other fishing videos, Moss has never gone ice fishing before. We're double vlogging here. And so we're out here this morning. We are going to try to get him on some ice fish. We drug our stuff out here. I haven't ice fished this lake this year. I did open water fish, and I ice fished it last year. And Moss is familiar with this body of water also. So we are going to get this stuff set up, and we're going to get to fish. I only have the one flasher, so I'm going to set him up on that, and then probably get some tip ups set out. And a little bit later, we might have a special guest. I guess we'll see how that goes. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. We're going to see if we can catch something. All right, guys, we're going to get him set up with the flasher and probably ultralight rod and some wax worms. All right, so you see on the right hand side how that's you right there.
Oh, okay. So I need to go down some more.
And that's a fish. So so a lot of times, like crappies and things like that, they eat up. So you might get a crappie or something that shows up on the screen right at the bottom, and you got to pull him 6 feet up before he bites. And so you're just slowly jigging him. You're slowly just bringing him up out of the depths down there. Well, he's getting a lot of lookers. We're kind of just dead sticking it. They seem to be responding a little bit better to that, but we're not getting any hits yet. At least we're seeing fish. There's a fish. There's a couple fish. 2 fish on it. 2 fish on it. So pick your rod up and just like try not to move the bait a ton. But just see, they went straight back down. So take it right down to the bottom. Just so you can barely see the connection. Yeah, like right there. Oh, now you got a fish above it. Damn, that's a big one. That is a big one.
Coming down, looks like.
Yeah. And I'm hooked up.
Nice. Ooh, he was talking about crappie.
Yeah. Fished that one in blind, guys. Did you even see that?
Nice.
Well, okay. There's another fish on you.
Were you jigging it, or were you?
I was just jigging it, yeah.
What do you got on there for bait?
Big one.
Oh, you got big.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you shouldn't have any issue. There we go, guys. Not a bad one this morning. Down the hole. I can't believe I caught one before you did.
Right. Just jigging blind.
Yeah. And that was probably those when that screen lit up and you had like 3 or 4 marks. That was probably a school of crappie that swam through. It just all takes some getting used to. It's like completely different from open water fishing.
Right. He's just chilling right there.
See, he's coming up with it. There you go. There you go. You're on. There you go, man. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
First ice fishing. That's a decent sized gill. That's definitely one you could eat if you wanted to. Oh, I'm proud of you, son.
Oh, thanks, Paul.
That's tight, man. Glad you caught that.
Oh, yeah. Awesome.
Bam.
Oh, yeah.
Broke the seal. Got her done. So I'm glad you got the feeling of that, how you
Just kind of let him up a little bit.
yeah, because I mean their eyes are kind of on top of their head, so you know they focus up.
Yeah.
At least the panfish typically do. But it was surprising he came in that high up.
Right. I kind of just came up and met him there.
Mm-hmm.
Matt says, pick me up.
Tell him to drive his ass out here. I got a couple extra pulls. You're just gonna have to sit outside.
Come on out, Matt.
I mean, more the merrier.
Ooh, something there.
Yeah. Yeah. You should be able to get a hit off of that. You're getting, I think you got a fish on. Yep, there you go. There you go. Nice little crappie.
Snapchat that one.
Bam. Look, you got another big one on you. You can get back down there, bud. And he's gone.
It's weird catching fish in the snow on the ground.
Aw, you got it. All right, guys, so we got Matt out here. Matt has never ice fished either. You can tell he's incredibly prepared for this right now. But I'm gonna give him a rod and we're just gonna screw around. He brought a couple shots to warm us up. We're gonna take these quick.
Bam.
Good luck. Cheers.
Bam.
Woo! Well, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
All right, you can fish with that one.
Hell yeah.
What I would say is just drop it all the way down to where it hits the bottom, and you just want it like an inch or two off the bottom, and you can just sit there and jig it. It's going to be hard without being able to see it. Ice fishing blind is kind of difficult, but
I'll show you how to.
give it a shot.
So since he's not my mechanic, I was talking shit to him. I get there, and I'm like,
He can't fire you?
no, he can't. He, you know, and the other mechanics won't say shit either. You know what I mean? They're just like, oh, he's one of them guys gets all angry and throws shit.
Yeah, no.
What's up? Join the party.
Jordan, this is Moss and Matthew.
Murdoch.
Uh,
Matthew.
He caught a couple this morning. It's the first time he has never ice fished. As you can tell, he's prepared for this. All right, guys. So we're out here, and our special guest is showing up. This is Jordan, Good Life Outdoorsman. I will definitely link his channel down in the description below. And he's a great fisherman, catches catfish. I am not lucky with catfish through the ice. I would definitely say he's a better fisherman than I am. So he's out here. He's going to drop a line in. I think he's going to venture over a little bit farther that way, kind of where we started at, and see if he can catch something, and I guess we'll see what happens. So stay tuned, guys.
Definitely want to get you guys on some catfish if you possibly can.
That would be awesome.
I'm gonna get searching for them and
All
let
right.
you know right away.
All right, awesome, guys. Stay tuned.
And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the link.
deal.
You know what to do, my boy.
Got the peewee?
Yeah. Do it again.
I don't know.
How is it?
Peewee's like. I can't do it.
I bet that's way off. Look at that. Way off. Type in Pee Wee's laugh. Let's see. Oh. What'd you do? How was it? You give us yours? Wouldn't that that's way off? That's way off. He said, hey.
That sounds more like it.
Ready to try again? Okay, go.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on, Matt, where you at?
I feel like I can't see anything with my sunglasses on, and I take them off, and I can't see anything even more.
I thought it was like.
I can't see. That's
That's
Woody
Krusty the
Woodpecker.
Cloud or something.
Krusty's like. Oh, that's Peewee.
Sounds like a fucking psycho.
I think when my girlfriend don't know, I'm gonna set her alarm to that.
Imagine waking up to that. It's like a nightmare.
I'm gonna put the background as a clown picture.
I'm gonna think I'm laughing like him every time I laugh.
Every time you go.
Just get it down and just start laughing like that for real.
Like in the grocery store, just like in line with your groceries.
You'd scare the ever living shit out of everybody.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
spread out. We can all three do it from different sections.
Yeah.
Just we'll spread out on the lake, and that'll be the call.
You guys are stupid. Listen, guys, you ain't gotta catch nothing to catch a video.
Any luck? Yeah, we're not marking much either, but we saw all the traffic back here. We figured we'd check it out. I heard that during the tournament, everybody was catching in the coves.
Oh, really?
That's the one thing that I heard, or at least a lot of fish came from the coves, but
It probably didn't help, dude. You invited two idiots.
I'm fishing blind.
That's right, Panoptics didn't do shit.
Not seeing anything on it, no.
Seen one cat out about 20 feet, kind of near where you guys were.
What?
He came up and kissed it. I see my rod tip go. And then he just turned around and
Oh,
swam
man.
over. Hauling this Panoptics around.
What does that thing weigh? 15 pounds?
Yeah, yeah.
I bet. That's a nice... Damn, is that electric?
What is that? What the hell is that?
That's all-seeing fish sonar.
It's
no
the, yeah. Is it pointed straight down right now?
No, it's on forward mode.
I don't, yeah.
Yeah, just set it in there.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Yep, that's the cool thing about this one. Like the older ones, you had to reach down and like move the transducer. These new ones, you just go like this,
And it turns it automatically?
and now you're in down view.
Oh, shit.
So you don't have
Okay.
to sit there and
All right, Moss, you got to look at this.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything down
Oh,
there.
I don't
I
get
don't-
the invite?
I guess.
Oh, Jesus Christ,
Alright,
man.
Ginger
This
should
guy.
come too.
Okay. So
Oh,
there's my
shit.
jig moving around.
Oh, damn.
And you see it, but see, like, there's nothing.
So that's like, you can
You're
actually see a
looking-
fish
so
come
that's-
in and shit.
That's 8 feet that way and 8 feet that way,
Oh.
or 20 feet
Damn,
both
that's dope.
sides.
What's your name again?
Jordan.
Jordan, you're rich.
No, this ain't mine. This ain't mine. It's
Can we
my
be
buddy's.
I mean, this
What
is
are you doing tomorrow? You want to hang out?
This is what everybody in the game wants, you know,
Yeah,
like,
it's
That was awesome.
ridiculous.
it's the ultimate.
Yeah.
Is
It's
this like
helped
new
to-
technology?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Is
it?
pretty new.
Do you
This
have any
is-
video of like a fish hitting that?
I don't personally, but there's definitely some out there.
Yeah. I've never seen
Josh
anything
has a
like that.
few on
That's
his channel.
You're friends with Josh then?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we're just wasting our time back here, guys.
Yeah, there's literally not.
I know what 3 inches looks like, trust me.
I mean, I was seeing like a couple schools of crappie, but then when I got on them, they were like literally the size of my tungsten, and they wouldn't, you couldn't eat it. So I don't know if what they were, like little perch or minnows or what, but it helps sometimes. But it's been a struggle to find a catfish.
What
there.
size screen is that?
9-inch.
9-inch?
Yeah.
Man, I gotta get one of these.
Being professional.
That's a
Fucking-
slick setup. I've never seen that pole before.
Yeah, I like it a little more than the older ones. They're so bulky.
I would like to see a fish hit that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's just, it can be like really helpful, but it can also be like even worse than like something like that.
Why
You
is
can
that?
actually see
Yeah,
the
you can
fins.
see. Yeah.
You can see what they are.
Oh, no shit.
Oh, you can tell what they
Yeah,
are.
you can tell it's like a catfish or a
Damn.
walleye, bluegill or crappie, just the way they act. And
All right, guys, we loaded everything back up. We're back on dry land here, or snowy land. I don't know whatever you want to call it. We didn't catch much. I think, what, 2 fish?
2.
I caught that 1 crappie. Matt didn't hook up with anything, but really this afternoon we were just kind of screwing around and having a good time. We had a blast out here. It's a beautiful day. I'm glad I got Moss out here on his first nice fish.
Yes, sir.
Maybe we'll get Matt on his next time, but I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit. Hit him with the laugh.
Peace. No.
Get him with that.